Hello, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle into not today's newspaper, but in the newspaper of yesterday, July the 16th, 2021. We have one puzzle left. The other puzzles are solved. Look. So one left for today, and tomorrow on Sunday I will do the rest of the puzzles of Tuesday, because on Wednesday I have solved all the puzzles, and on Thursday there were no extra Sudokus or no additional in the newspaper. So I've decided to do the Tuesday newspaper on Sunday. But first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3113. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plus 3, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one. For an easy one, I need to be faster than, for 1 star, faster than 15 minutes. All right. So let's begin. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Do we have any single boxes here? Yeah, I see a single box. Single box is always a 1. More single boxes? No, I see here a dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a dual box. The 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. I see here the triple box, and for triple box it's important that you know that the inside box, because in the triple box I need the 1, the 2 and the 3, so I cannot place the 1, the 2 and the 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1, the 2 or the 3 there. So it must be 4 or 5, this box, 4 or 5, okay. More triple boxes? No, quadra box. I see here a quadra box. And I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. Then the following strategy is to recognize, here also a quadra box. To recognize some shapes or figures or constructions or structure, you name it, whatever. This T shape rotated, remember that this box is the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. All right, only one T shape, then the following shape, this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Here another one. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape that you need to know is this one. Okay, so remember that this box has the same number as that box in this area. So it must be the 1 or a 2 here. Okay, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Oh, let me draw this correctly. Okay. More of this kind of shape. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. All right. So those are the figures or shapes that you need to know, to recognize. Then it's easy to fill the numbers. In this puzzle, we have 3 that you need to recognize, but there are more. But in this puzzle, we have 3 of them. There are more, but in this puzzle, we have 3 of them. Yes. All right. So let's get starting filling the numbers. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 2. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4 in this quadra box. This box is connected with that box should be also 2 and the 4. But we already have a 2 here. So it cannot be a 2. It should be a 4. This box is connected with that box should be also 4. So 1 box left in this quadra box should be a 2. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Well, this box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there, but I already have a 4 here, so it cannot be 4 in this box. This box should be a 1, and that box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be a 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this triple box for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. So, 3 boxes are left. One of the missing number is the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means in this T-shaped area, this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 3 here. The 3 should be there. And the 5 goes here. Alright. Now, those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. All right. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. All right. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this square box for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. All right. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Well, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. Okay, now we have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. All right. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, 4 and a 5, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finished in 30 minutes, correct. Faster than 50 minutes. This is my time limit, so I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics. Playlists for the binaries. Playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudoku, for the medium Sudokus, for the heavy, for the light, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great Saturday, weekend, and maybe we will see you tomorrow. I will do the rest of the puzzle of the last Tuesday edition. So see you then. Bye bye for now.